In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Kalshi account. So if you want to create the Kalshi account, first of all launch open any browser of your choice, or you can also open the Kalshi application if you want. If you have opened the browser, click on the search bar and type in this link kalshi.com. Press enter. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Kalshi. You'll be able to find various options over here. So what you have to do is click on this option sign up that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options for signing up. You can continue with Google, or you can also continue with Apple and continue with email. So simply click on the sign up method of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on this option continue with email. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll have to enter your email address. So click on the field of email address and enter the email address with which you would like to create the account for yourself. After you do that, click on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to create the password for yourself. Your password must have 8 to 72 characters. It must include a number, lowercase and uppercase letters and special characters. So create the password accordingly. Now after you create the password, click on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, wait for a while. Now you can see over here a verification code will be sent to the email. Go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. Kalshi will send you the email. What you have to do is simply click on it. Right now I'm not being able to receive the email from Kalshi. There might be some technical errors. So in that email you'll be able to find the verification code. Go back to the Kalshi application and enter the verification code over here. After you do that, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. But if you didn't receive the verification code like me, you do not have to worry. Simply go back. Now after you do that too, you can see over here your account has been created. The verification is only required in order to deposit the funds and begin trading. If you want to trade, what you have to do is simply provide the additional informations, go through the KYC verification and link a bank account. After you do that, you'll be able to trade on Kalshi. Otherwise, your account has already been created. So that is how you create Kalshi account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.